Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record the swim activity on the Strava application. So first of all we need to do, just go and open your phone that you're going to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, once you open it, you will have to go and open even the Strava application if you haven't already downloaded. If you don't, you will have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you open your Strava application, of course, once it's downloaded, you will have to open it. And once you open this, if it's your first time, they'll ask you actually to log in into your account. So of course, if you have an account, you'll have to log in into it. But if you don't, they'll give you three options to create a new account, which is the Facebook option, the Google option, and even the email option. So just choose whatever of those. And once you created your account or even logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or this main screen, which is the home page of the application. And of course, here you will find just your post that you already posted, or you can even add a new post or edit some of your recent posts if you want to. But what we said is we would like to record a swim activity. So of course, if you want to do that, we can just go here to this record option at the middle. Once we click on it, you will find here that maybe if you already started a new activity or a recent activity, you will find it's already open here. So let me just finish that up and discard. And of course, now I'm just going to record again, and here I can just go here and click at this shoe, which is the activity, and here I'm just going to look for my swim activity, which is here. I'll find it in the water sports. Just click at swim, and now I'll be able to start my record on the swim activity. So of course, once you finish, you can just stop it and finish, and here you are. You will finish your swim activity and you'll be good to go. It will be recorded and everything. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.